A protester pushing for transparency in the upcoming Kim Potter trial may have crossed a legal line this weekend.
Potter is the former Brooklyn Center police officer charged with manslaughter in the killing of Daunte Wright. The man went to the judge's home and was just feet away from her front door. David Schuman talked with him about why he was there. David?
That protester, Cortez, is very close with Daunte Wright's family and has been a vocal advocate for allowing cameras in the courtroom during the Potter trial. As part of a protest Saturday night calling for those cameras, he went up to what he believed was the judge's apartment door. A lawyer we spoke to said it could be seen as an attempt to intimidate or harass the judge, which would be a felony.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
The Facebook live stream, which has since been taken down, starts with Cortez Rice already in the hallway.
I don't know if this is her crib. I think this is her crib right here. We got confirmation that this is her house right here.
He's talking about Judge Regina Chu, who's overseeing the Kim Potter trial.
Waiting for the gang to get up here.
Cortez then opens a window down the hall and yells down to protesters.
So if people stand down there, she'll definitely hear us.
Cortez leaves to join the crowd outside when a resident questions who he's there to see.
No, I was yelling out the window at somebody. And I just went there to make sure that we was in the right vicinity, if we was at the right place, that they could hear us.
You were not trying to get her to change her mind about decisions she's made or anything about the trial?
No. We just simply wanted her to hear what we had to say.
So this is very serious.
Joe Tamburino, a criminal defense lawyer not associated with the trial, says Cortez's actions are in somewhat of a gray area, but they could be seen as intimidation, which is a felony when the target is a judge.
If someone is just roaming the hallway, they're lost, they don't know what's going on, of course not. But he has been active in social media, and what he's saying could be used against him to show his intent as to why he went to the judge's residence.
Judge Chu couldn't comment on the incident. Minneapolis police are reviewing what happened. Hennepin County's chief judge says he's confident in the security plans for the Potter trial. More than a dozen news organizations, including WCCO, have also asked the judge through official court procedures to allow live video coverage of the Potter trial. It's unclear when the judge will consider the media's request.
All right. Thank you, David.